how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you nice mixed veg Maggi, very tasty. Do try it this way and share with me if you liked it or not. Maggi is really bad for you, but once in a while, it's fine. It's a childhood memory for me. So that's how I associate it with. So I do enjoy it occasionally. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. And there are so many lunch and dinner recipes and breakfast recipes available on my channel. I will share the link in my description box for the breakfast recipes. Do look at them, do try them and share with your friends if you like them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe if you like my videos. Let's go and see how to make this quick and easy mixed veg style Maggi. Let's go.
So let's look at the ingredients we need to make masala Maggi. I'm using mixed vegetables, carrot and peas. You can use any vegetables you want, but I'm using carrot and peas. Of course, water. For 2 packets, I will take 2.5 glasses of water. Salt, turmeric, chili powder, dhania powder, and 2 packets of Maggi. Maybe I'll use little more than quarter of this onion. Chilies, I like it spicy, but you can reduce the amount of chilies if you don't want it spicy. And I will also use the masala that comes in it. And this is how we need to break the Maggi. So Maggi is broken in. Let's start making. Let's dice everything and I'll be back to show you how I make my spicy and yummy Maggi. I kept a pan on the stove and it's pretty heated up. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. That's enough. Let it heat up nicely. And we are going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now that is frying, we are going to add our onions and chilies to it. It's already smells so good in here. We are going to let it fry nicely. But it's going to take more out. Let it fry until it browns up a little, and I'll be back to show you what to do next. It's pretty browned up. We are going to add little bit of pinch of ginger garlic. Let it fry nicely. And now we are going to add our turmeric. Little bit, 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to add our vegetables. Vegetables depends on how more you want or how less you want. I like to have more vegetables than Maggi, so I'm adding quite a bit. Around, I think for 2 cups you can add around 1/2 cup. That's a lot of vegetables, but I like it that way. So let it nicely fry for a minute and then we'll add our spices. Now that it's fried a little bit, we are going to add our spices. First goes in 2 Maggi packets, like masala packets. And next goes in our chili powder. Chili powder depends on how spicy you want. Chilies are also there, so be careful. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon. That should be enough. And little bit of salt. Maggi masala also has salt, so add salt carefully. And dhania powder. And mix everything and let it fry for a few seconds at least. And then we'll add our water. Now that it has fried a little bit, we are going to add 2.5 cups of water. Again, if you want it more soupy, add more water. But 2.5 cups is right. I'm adding with this steel glass. You can add it with a cup too. 2.5 cups is right for you. Bring it to a nice boil. It should be boiling hot. Then we'll add our Maggi. Look how nicely it came to a rolling boil. Now we are going to add our Maggi. It's broken into pieces so that it will cook nicely. It's going to be soupy with full of vegetables. It's going to taste really awesome. And let it cook. That's it. See how simple it is to make this yummy Maggi, but it's going to taste really awesome. Let it cook, and when the desired consistency comes on, we'll off the stove. See how many veggies are there in my Maggi. More than Maggi, I have veggies in it. It's almost done. This is the consistency I like. Soupy yet not too soupy. So I'm going to off the stove and serve hot with a cup of chai. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Bye.